I was very sad yesterday. मेरी कोई वीडियो लाइक ही नहीं करता. But I am very happy today क्योंकि आज मेरे 103 सब्सक्राइबर हो गए हैं. Thank you very much. You are looking very beautiful. Your cat is very cute. Your dress is looking very good. My handwriting is very bad. My videos are very informative. Math was very interesting. Very this, very that, very this, very that. Stop using very. We use the word very in our daily conversation so often that it leads to lack of variety and expressions. In order to make our conversation more interesting and impactful, it is very essential to seek better alternatives to use instead of word very. Hello, Assalamu Alaikum. How are you all? I hope you all are doing very well. So today we are going to learn about how to replace the word very. This video is gonna help you get rid of word very. So have a look at the few examples. We can replace this word very good with superb, excellent, fantastic, phenomenal, and impressive. Next phrase is very happy, thrilled, elated, overjoyed. Replace very cold with freezing, icy cold, bone-chilling, bitterly cold. Replacement word of very cute are adorable, pretty, enchanting, charming. Don't say very bad. Use terrible, awful, dreadful. Next is very tired. Say this exhausted, drained, worn out, bone tired. Instead of saying very clean, say spotless, flawless, tidy, immaculate. Very beautiful. Say this stunning, gorgeous, exquisite, breathtaking. Don't say very funny. Say hilarious, hysterical, whimsically entertaining. Very tasty. Say delectable, palatable, delicious, mouth-watering, and yummy, tempting. Next is very hungry. Say starving, famished, very thirsty. Say this dehydrated, parched, unbearably thirsty. Next is very noisy. Don't say this. Say deafening, excessively loud. Very boring. Say this tedious, dull, monotonous. Instead of saying very serious, say grave, crucial, intense, critical. Very scared. Say petrified, terrified, horrified, frightened. Next is very confused. Say perplexed, baffled, disoriented. Next is very calm. Say serene, peaceful, relaxed, composed. Very shiny. Use this gleaming, glowing, radiant, sparkling. Instead of saying very slow, say sluggish, extremely lethargic, extremely slow pace. Very untidy. Say cluttered, messy, scattered, chaotic, unorganized. Replacing the word very in our speech can bring numerous benefits. It will make our communication clearer, interesting, and more engaging. Demonstrating a good vocabulary can impress others and make us more persuasive in our conversation. So, try to think out of the box and don't be afraid to experiment with different words and expressions. and see the positive impact it can have on your communication. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if this video was helpful, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. See you later. Bye. Like, subscribe and share.